Hey guys, my name is Aftab. This is our fourth video. In this video, we will learn Magento admin overview. So guys, we are entering URL Magento admin. To enter URL, enter the credentials, username and password. Username is Aftab and password is enter. Okay, so here is admin area. So guys, this is a dashboard of Magento 2. Here is some things you see: revenue, tax, shipping, quantity, lifetime sales average. So this is like in a dashboard, just bestseller, most viewed product, new customer, and customers. So this is just a front page of Magento admin area, right? So shall we start here? This is first one is sales. So guys, and the sales is here is all activities of sales like order, invoice, shipment, credit memos, billing agreement, and transaction. In the order system, so every place order here is stand in order system. So here is after placing any order on the front end. So here is stand here. Like you see here is the first order is a Varnoika, right? This is processing state, this is status, and this is amount and ship to, bill to, purchase, all things. And you can also filter here if you have more than orders, 1,000 orders or 100 orders. You can find out from to order ID, billing name, or ship name, or status also, right? And second one is invoice. Invoice, you can see here invoice for every product, every order have an invoice, and just like agreement of e-commerce and customer. So this is invoice, and here is click to print. You can also print your invoice, right? You can see here this is invoice, right? And again is shipment. So after placing order, you can create invoice, then shipment, because your order is going via courier. So where is right now for tracking? So this is shipment. Shipment is this is tracking of your order. So here is all activities have your all courier partners: DHL, Fairrail Express, United Practical Service, and other integrated any developer, right? So here is send information for tracking to customer, right? And this is credit memo. Basically, credit memo is suppose any order after return. So after returning order, you can refund the money. So that time every customer have your credit store. So credit store is just like a refund order. You see the status, right? After returns the money and then close the order, right? Because e-commerce have every order have tracking, like what order is written, what order is refund, what order is cancelled. So everything have the status about the order. and billing agreement and all transactions. This is also part of sales. And second one is product and catalog. So guys, categories, you can create your own categories, like what's booming, main, everything you want to create a categories like catalog. And here is also have a product. So you can create product and assign every category. Product have multiple types: simple product, configure product, group product, virtual bundle, and downloadable product. So guys, simple is just like simple, like any electronics item without color and sizes, and have any product color and size combination, that is called configure product. And group product, like add any services system, and virtual for services system, and then downloadable for like software applications. So this is catalog system. And customer, you see all customers here. So which customers register your site website, or what customers purchase order of your websites, right? And this is very important part is marketing. Sorry, sorry guys. So marketing, very important part of the e-commerce. Here is you can create your promotion rules, like catalog rules and cart price rules. Here is you can create like coupon. You can provide your promotion here, like you can create your, this one, like 50% spend for shipping free. So you can here is create your, define a type, log user, wholesale, retailer, right? And you can here is condition also. So equals or greater than 50 amount subtotal, then to eligible this coupon and action, or you want to give the percentage amount, fixed amount, or variable amount. And here is also apply the cart rule, right? So this is promotion rule. And this is sorry, yeah, I think guys, there's some problem in my mouth, so I have some problem. And second one is email templating. Email templating for like any customer purchase order, then order information mail, and a newsletter subscription mail, and promotional mail. So all email templating systems here handles, like add new templates, suppose. So here is all of demo, like suppose contact form. So load here, and you can see preview here. You can preview here. So that type of uh, like overview. Here is name, phone, email, message, and you can modify also this template, right? So this is templating system and newsletter subscription. This is social media connection for sharing system. This is search engine optimization, URL writing, search terms, search synonym, sitemap. And this is overview of, you want to see the product review, fill the fill by customer. And again, very important is content management system. So this is a page, you want to create a home page about contact us, terms condition, privacy policy. You can create a page and block some content, you want to call any theming or some model system. So you can create your block and directly call by theme or model also. And widget is dynamically called via block. So this is also important. And theme configuration, you want to your custom theme. So you want to your custom themes to here is configure and choose your custom theme also. If you have more themes, or you can set a store wise theme also. You want to you have multiple stores, so you want to another store another theme, so you can select store and theme also, right? And theme available all themes here. And schedule, you want to some season like summer another theme and winter another theme system, so you can schedule also and automatically change after the schedule. And again is a report system. This is very important, because this is a daily basis requirement. Report system for product in cart. So this is how much product in cart right now. So you can write here the type of report. Search terms, how many customers search, which type keyword used in search. And abandoned cart, how much product in cart, because not right now in customers logged in and still have in cart. So the type of need for information, because some want to release the quantity and inventory, so that's the reason needs for abundant card information. Newsletter report problem, how much newsletter not sent, customers review by customer and review by product, right? This is orders, how many orders in a day, in a month, in a year, tax, and how much product invoiced right now, how much shipped, how much refund, that type of information report system here. And coupon system, how much coupon system are used, how much not, right? And this is still without using how much coupons, PayPal, how much PayPal settlement, and 20 or also settlement. And customer order total, how much order total, customer order count, and new. And this is product also, for how much product view, which product, how much product views. And bestseller, low stock, which product low stock right now. And ordered, which product how much type ordered and how much download. So this is type all reports available in Magento. And another is store. This is some technical and know about everyone. Guys, this is a store. You have a multiple store system, so you can see multi stores. So you can create here website and store view. This is, so suppose you want to open a store view in English and another English store view in Chinese, and another one is Hindi or Urdu or Arabic. So this is different requirements in Magento. So Magento also provide multi-language and multi-currency websites and multi-store websites. So you can create here. And second one is configuration. So configuration is available all, like all things, all configuration parts like web currency setup, store address reports, catalog system, sales service. So all of Magento modules settings available here, like advanced for service. Every modules settings available here. As terms and condition, and you can set here order status also. You can map your order status, order processing to process map. Suppose some order is invoiced, so you can see only processing, so you can map your order. So this is state and status map of order. right? And tax rules, you can define tax rules from here. Tax rules, you can create your tax rules. And currency, here is you can define your currency rates. Suppose your base currency is USD, or you want to import from another, so you can import here, right? And here is in the store, you can configure here, and currency setup, right? And currency option inside the base currency, and you can allow the all countries, right? You can save here, then go to here, no, go to currency setups, go to currency rates, right? So here available all countries, all currencies, right? So you can set your currencies here. And here this is attribute, product attribute system, and attribute set. So you can create your attribute set. Suppose you want to clothing, another attribute set, your electronics item, another attribute set, like here back, bottom, default, double K. This is attribute set, and you want to create your attribute, custom attribute also, like. And here is you can create group also. And the second one is setting. Setting here is available import, your product importing, and importing, export your product, and import export rates, import history, integration of extension, and you can flash your cache here, and backup here, indexing, like. And you can assign the customer roles, create roles, and customer log, and all notification. This is very technical part. So like this is just a quick introduction in Magento admin. So guys, we are focus every part in depth. So this is very much. If you have any problem about any part of in admin area, you can feel free comments me or mail me. I definitely revert your question. So this is very much, and please don't forget for subscribe. We will uh, we will be learn in depth every section. So see you in next video. Thanks.